Now we need to install the new spring head to the printer. First we take out the head. This is a new spring head. We turn it in this side and we find the connection ports here. And now we need to connect the cables on the head. The first cable we need to connect is the top one. The top one, we check about the cable's pins, make sure they're good conditions. Then we can connect it gently to the top one spot. Okay. Then the bottom one. Also check about the pins. Make sure they're good. And then we connect it. The pins should be facing outside. Okay, then we put it in. Okay, and then we make the cables in order. The middle one should be under the top one. The top one will be covered on this top. And it should be like this. It should be like this. And then we put the spring head on the carriage. This side go first, down. And the cable was clicked into the put into the clips. Again, okay, then we'll put the head. Make sure it was flat in the. Make sure it was in the bottom side of the head. Check them out. They were in the same positions with the carriage. And then we should lock the screws. There's 3 screws, one here, and one here. We lock the screws on the carriage. Okay. Then after we lock the screw, we should connect the dampers to the spring head. We should find the dampers. They should have the labels, have the tabs on the tubes. We connect it one by one. The 4 whites on the first. And then we connect the K, black K, C, M, white. Because this spring head is a little bit loose, so I will use a stick to put it to fix the spring head on the carriage. The first, your new head no need to do this. This one just an old one, so I have to do this. Okay, now the head was installed finished.